Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Aini. I wanna ask to you all, have you ever realized that the way you speak change depending on who you are talking to? For example, you speak differently to your friend, your lecturer, and your family. Even though you are the same person, your language is not always the same. This happens because we belong to different speech communities in the presentation. I will explain what a speech community is and why it is important in sociolinguistics. In sociolinguistics, language is not only studied as a grammar or vocabulary. Language is also seen as a social tool that people use to interact with others. That is why the concept of speech community is important. It helps us understand how language is used in real life and how it is connected to society, culture, and identity. Now, why is a speech community? So, what does speech community mean? A speech community is a group of people who share similar ways of speaking. They may not speak exactly the same language or accent, but they understand the rule of communication in their group. For example, they know what language is polite, what language is informal, and how to speak in the different situation. Now, we go to the theoretical background from Dale Hymes. The idea of speech community was introduced by a linguist named Dale Hymes. According to him, a speech community is not only about language itself. It also includes social rules such as when it is appropriate to speak, how to speak, and who we are speak to. This means that language and social life are closely connected. We cannot understand language without understanding society. Now, next to character of speech community. There are some common characteristics of a speech community. First, the members share communication norms. Second, they understand each other when they communicate. And third, they adjust their language based on the situation and the people they talk to. Now, I want to give you example from university students are a clear example of a speech community. When students talk to their friends, they usually use informal language slang or short expression. However, when they speak to lecturer, they change their language and become more formal. This shows that language choice depend on the speech community and the social context. Multilingual speech communities. In multilingual societies, people often belong to more than one speech community. For instance, at home, people may speak a local language. At school or in a public place, they usually speak the national language. In academic or professional setting, English is often used. People choose their language based on where they are and who they are talking to. Analysis based on journal study. For example, a sociolinguistic study in Banjarmasin showed that people in multilingual communities choose different language based on where and with whom they are speaking, reflecting how social norm within a speech communities influence language use. A journal from UIN Salatiga. This idea is also supported by sociolinguistic research. A study conducted in Banjarmasin, South Kalimantan, showed that people in multilingual communities use different language in different situations. Local language are commonly used at home and within close social groups, while Indonesian is used in a public and formal context. This study shows that language use follow social rules shared by the speech community. Language is not only a means of communication, but also a way to show identity and culture belonging. Speech community and identity. One person can belong to many speech communities at the same time. The language people choose can show their identity, their social role, and their cultural background. Because of this language change depending on the situation and the community. Okay, now the conclusion from my speech is to conclude a speech community is a group of people who share ways of speaking and communication rules. This concept helps us understanding how language works in society, especially in multilingual contexts. Speech community show that language is not only a system of words, but also a social practice. Okay, my friend, thank you so much for your watching my presentation. I hope this explanation help you understand the concept of speech community in sociolinguistics. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.